Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G84 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So open first the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner and to log out from the Gmail account. From the Gmail application, you should first log out from Google account on your device. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK if you use some protect methods on your device. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully logged out from the Gmail app, so let's go back to the Gmail application, and now we could see that we also successfully logged out from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.